My name is Mein.
Меня зовут Влад.
My name is Mein163.
My name is Karski.
My name is Bon.
My name is Farid Reda.
My name is Beyond.
Name is Jarman.
I'm from South Africa.
С Москвы.
I'm from Argentina.
I'm from Australia.
I'm from Thailand.
I'm from Mexico City.
I'm from the duo Karski and Beyond.
From the Netherlands.
The idea, well, what they said to us was that it should have something to do with football. So I thought about what football means to people, and to me, I think the most coolest thing about it is the atmosphere, but maybe for someone else it's something a little bit different. So I decided to make an abstract painting that could maybe be interpreted in different ways, or people might have different ideas of the piece, just like people might have different ideas of the game of football.
I'm painting two animals, a parrot and a wolf, and I'm painting them because for me the soccer is all about the noise and the colour and the big raucous sort of occasion, and so I chose a very loud bird, the parrot, and also a very loud dog, the wolf, which is also the FIFA World Cup mascot this year. Yeah, and then I'm representing the sound and the colour of the soccer with all the circular patterns. Day number 4 on the wall, painting the whole building. But we've had a few days that were only half days. They got interrupted by media and stuff.
Well, I've been painting alone 17 years already. It's quite a lot. I started in Argentina, and then I moved to Brazil. Along 9 years, we were like an art collective. We after found the Acechima Gallery in São Paulo, and I've been participating of the gallery, but then just follow my solo career. So yeah, I just took my childhood and the character of Maradona, that is an amazing representative of our country. And the thing is, like, the sketch was changing along the spaces were changing, but the idea is like no matter how many times he fell down, you know, he always get it to the goal.
Я рисую эскиз на футбольную тематику. Вот, у меня изображен российский футболист в скафандре, который сильным ударом по мячу пробивает бронированный иллюминатор соперника. Тем самым эта работа показывает, как Россия подготовилась к чемпионату мира по футболу. Ну и каким жарким будет футбол в России в этом году. Всего у нас 7 объектов на территории Лужников. Вот, ну, они как бы выступают в качестве благоустройства. Вот, что сейчас делается. И художники с разных стран приехали оформлять объекты. Ну, это достаточно интересно.
This wall, our mural is about dreams about winning the World Cup. So it's dreaming about scoring and getting the goals.
You can be anything. Everybody can be a world champion. You don't have to be a professional football player to be a champion. And that's what this wall is about.
This is the first time we paint something for football, and for the World Cup in Moscow is of course one of the best things we could do.
I'm being part of this activation, this exhibition. So I'm painting here a wolf, trying to remind the pet from the World Cup. I use this because it's one of the animals, it's one of the pets is using now for the World Cup. But also in Mexico has a lot of meanings. We call the coyote. So it's very representative also. So for me, it's like find a way to mix, to find a mix between two cultures different.
It's my concept. Is I work for art for peace. This a piece for the concept is shoot it not for kill, shoot it for goal, and we hope everyone compassion for existing, for stay together with peace, so we can connection art and sport and football together, can make people happy with the heart and body with exercise, right? Yeah, and art make your heart happy. Yeah, together that's best.